Hey everyone, so today we're creating this beautiful look. Hope you like it. So to start off, I'm taking these two shades from the palette, mixing them both and putting them all over the lid with the help of a fluffy blending brush. These eyeshadows are buildable, so you need to go back into the pans until you are satisfied with the pigmentation. I'll be mentioning all the product details in the description box below so you can check them out. Just keep going and going and going. Yeah, that's what we gotta do. So next I'm taking this black shade from the palette. You can take any black shade and put it very closer to your upper lash line, just like if you're applying a very thin liner. You need to make it a little thicker on the outside and keep it thin on the inside. I would suggest to use a small brush here so that you can have a good control of how you're applying it. And this is how your liner should look by the end. Next, I'm taking the same shadow and putting it on my lower lash line as well. Don't take it too far, just keep it on the outside. Okay, so next using this shade, I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye, and using this matte shade from the same palette, I'm highlighting my brow bone. Next, I'm taking this mascara from Maybelline and coating my top lashes. I'm doing here multiple coats so that I can have a good volume. You can definitely use falsies if you like. Don't forget your bottom lashes and coat them as well. And this is the last step, so our look is complete. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a token of appreciation in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.